Ditch the fries. Unleash the Idaho potato power. Tired of the same old French fries? Me too. Let's ditch those greasy spuds and unlock a world of flavor. Get ready for Idaho-style potatoes, a simple recipe with endless possibilities. Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Trust me, this is a game changer. Simple ingredients, big flavor, what you'll need. Here's the beauty of this recipe. It's all about simplicity. You don't need a long list of ingredients to create something truly delicious. You'll need just a few basic ingredients. Idaho potatoes, of course, which are known for their perfect texture and flavor. Olive oil, which adds a rich, smooth taste and helps in roasting the potatoes to perfection. Don't forget the essentials: salt and pepper. These two simple seasonings bring out the natural flavors of the potatoes. That's it. Feel free to get creative with seasonings. Garlic powder, which adds a savory depth, paprika for a smoky touch, or even a touch of cayenne pepper for a kick. You can also experiment with herbs like rosemary or thyme for an aromatic twist. The possibilities are endless, and you can tailor the flavors to suit your taste. Whether you like it mild or spicy, these simple ingredients will help you create a dish that's bursting with flavor. Shaping your spuds. From patties to sticks. Now let's talk shapes. Potatoes are incredibly versatile, and the way you shape them can completely change your eating experience. Whether you're in the mood for something classic or want to try a new twist, we've got you covered. Start by grating your potatoes. This step is crucial because it helps to create a uniform texture. Once grated, place the potatoes in a bowl and get ready for the next important step. Squeeze out any excess moisture from the grated potatoes. This is key for that crispy texture we all love. Excess moisture can make your patties or sticks soggy, so take your time with this step. Now, form the mixture into patties. These are perfect for a satisfying crunch. Patties are great for sandwiches, burgers, or just as a side dish. They hold their shape well and offer a hearty bite. Alternatively, roll the mixture into sticks for a fun finger food twist. Potato sticks are perfect for dipping and make a great snack for parties or casual gatherings. They're easy to handle and fun to eat. Heat your olive oil in a pan. The type of oil you use can also affect the flavor and texture, so choose a good quality olive oil for the best results. Make sure the oil is hot before you start frying. Then, fry those beauties until they are golden brown and delicious. Keep an eye on them to ensure they cook evenly. The goal is a crispy exterior with a tender, flavorful inside. Enjoy your perfectly shaped and cooked potato creations. Cheese, please. Level up with a cheesy twist. Ready to take it up a notch? Let's talk cheese. Prepare a simple batter with flour, eggs, and your favorite shredded cheese. Dip your potato patties or sticks into the batter, then fry them until golden and bubbly. The cheese adds a creamy texture and an irresistible cheesy flavor. Your new go-to potato: impress your friends. Imagine the delight on their faces when you serve up these mouth-watering Idaho-style potatoes. Whether it's a casual get-together or a special occasion, these potatoes are sure to steal the show. These Idaho-style potatoes are incredibly versatile. You can bake them, fry them, or even mash them. The possibilities are endless, and each preparation brings out a unique flavor and texture that will leave everyone wanting more. Serve them as a side dish with grilled chicken or fish. They complement any main course beautifully, adding a hearty and satisfying element to your meal. Imagine a perfectly grilled piece of chicken paired with crispy golden Idaho potatoes, a match made in culinary heaven. They're a hit at parties, game days, or any occasion that calls for a delicious snack. Picture your guests mingling and enjoying these tasty bites, their hands reaching for more as they chat and laugh. Idaho potatoes are the ultimate crowd pleaser. Get creative with dipping sauces: garlic aioli, spicy mayo, or even a cool ranch dressing. Each sauce adds a new dimension of flavor, making every bite an adventure. You can even set up a dipping station at your next gathering, letting your guests mix and match to their heart's content, or even a cool ranch dressing. The cool, creamy texture of ranch pairs perfectly with the crispy exterior of the potatoes, creating a delightful contrast that will have everyone coming back for seconds. Your friends and family will be begging for the recipe. They'll be amazed at how something so simple can be so delicious. So go ahead, impress your friends with these versatile and tasty Idaho-style potatoes. It's a surefire way to make any meal memorable.